people, nature, and technology. Connecting them all with new innovation. Open possibility. We invite you to a new world of innovation. To more efficiently and economically advance the overall mobility industry and provide excellence to our customers and partners. We are creating innovation for everyone by creating an ecosystem of elements and value. This is the smart factory of innovation. This is Smarter Plant eForest. eForest pursues AutoFlex intelligent humanity. By responding to the diverse needs of customers with a new type of mobility manufacturing environment and overcoming limitations with innovative and highly automated production methods, we are building a fast and efficient system. eForest is building an autonomous control system for factory operation with futuristic ICT technology. Through digitalization of quality, facility, and logistics information, we collect and analyze not only products and all system data within the factory, but also external information in real time. Through more efficient operation with an intelligent factory management system based on artificial intelligence, we provide premium quality products for our customers. By putting people first, we create a safe and comfortable working environment. Automation of hazardous work environments. Harmony between humans and robots. To create an optimal mobility experience for customers, eForest is implementing a smart factory beyond manufacturing technology innovation. eForest is at the center of future-forward technologies. We are constantly evolving through organic processes and opening up infinite possibilities for future smart manufacturing systems. This is Hyundai Kia Motors Smart Factory. eForest. Smarter Plant. eForest.